What if your business could handle every call, every time, every message, every inquiry, all at once, without hiring anyone, without working more hours? Think about the last time your phone rang while you were already with a customer, or on a job, or on another call. What happened to that person on the other end? They didn't wait. They called the next business on the list. And that business got the sale. That's not a marketing problem. That's a capacity problem, and it's costing you more than you think. Here's what's actually happening. Most business owners think they need more leads, run better ads, get more traffic, spend more on marketing. But the truth is, the leads are already coming in. The problem is capacity. You can only be in one place at a time. You can only answer one call at a time. You can only respond to one message at a time. Meanwhile, leads are coming in through SMS, Instagram DMs, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and web chat, all at the same time. And nearly half of all inquiries come in after hours, after you've logged off, after the job is done, after you've put the phone down for the night. The businesses that win aren't necessarily the best ones. They're the ones that answered first. Studies show 78% of customers go with whoever responds first. Not the cheapest, not the most experienced, the first. So the question isn't how do you get more leads? The question is, how do you handle every single one you're already getting? I want to show you something. This is a real demonstration of HighLevel's voice AI in action. Watch what happens. This exterminator is on a job. He's working. His phone rings. He doesn't answer it because he can't. He's doing the work his client is paying him for. But something else happens. HighLevel's voice AI picks up the call, listens, responds naturally, qualifies the lead, books the appointment, updates the calendar. The exterminator finishes the job, checks his phone. New appointment already booked. He never stopped working. He never missed the lead. His business ran itself for the 60 seconds it took that call to happen. That's not a fantasy. That's what HighLevel's AI does right now, today, for businesses of every size. Don't miss another lead call. HighLevel has built what they call an AI employee. It's not one tool. It's a suite of AI agents working together inside your account. Voice AI answers calls and books appointments. Conversation AI handles SMS, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and web chat simultaneously. The AI scheduler puts appointments directly on your calendar. The AI reputation agent responds to reviews. And Agent Studio lets you build custom AI workflows for your specific business. All of it lives inside one platform. All of it runs automatically. HighLevel is now processing over 16 million AI conversations every single month, 700,000 messages every day, and booking over 160,000 appointments monthly through AI alone. This isn't experimental technology. This is infrastructure. The same way websites became mandatory, then online booking became mandatory. AI-assisted communication is entering that same category right now. Imagine finishing a job and checking your phone. 3 new appointments already booked. You didn't answer a single call. You didn't respond to a single message. Your AI handled all of it while you were working. That's what happens when capacity stops being a limitation. For your clients, even a modest improvement in lead response rate moves the revenue needle significantly. If they're closing 10% of leads today and AI lifts that to 15%, that's a 50% increase in revenue from the exact same ad spend. No new traffic, no new marketing budget, just better capacity. This works for agencies managing multiple clients. Set it up once, duplicate it across every account, and it runs forever. It works for solo operators who can't afford to miss a single call. It works for local service businesses, contractors, med spas, law firms, real estate agents, HVAC, cleaning companies, where one booked appointment pays for the platform many times over. And it works for small businesses competing against larger companies that have full reception teams. You don't need a bigger team, you need a better system. Now let me be straight with you about the real questions people have, because they're valid. First, will it sound robotic? Not if you set it up right. You train it on your brand voice, your FAQs, your tone. It sounds like your business. Second, what about complex conversations? Use AI for the first response and hand off to a human when needed. That hybrid approach outperforms full manual follow-up by 40%. Third, is it worth it for high-ticket sales? For simple bookings? Absolutely. For complex deals, AI responds instantly, human closes. And fourth, is it too complicated? Setup is straightforward. HighLevel's 30-day bootcamp walks you through every step, and most users have it running within their first session. Here's the opportunity right now. HighLevel Summer of AI is live, and this week only, June 1st through June 7th, the starter plan is 50% off. That's $48.50 a month instead of $97. You get a 30-day trial plus 30 days of free conversation AI, so you can test everything before committing. Full disclosure, the link below is an affiliate link. I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you, and when you sign up through my link, you also get the Wealth Forge bonus stack. The Revenue Leak Framework, tool comparison resources, curated free snapshot library links, and GHL University training access, all free, one platform, every call handled, every time. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. We cover SaaS tools, agency software, and honest breakdowns every week so you can make smarter decisions without wasting money on the wrong platforms. Link is below.